Welcome to how to use the what if daily function in ES Optimizer. You will want to navigate to the Special Functions tab and select the what if menu item. You will notice there are two tabs, the Daily Cleaning module and the Periodic or Project Cleaning module. We are going to demonstrate the what if in the daily cleaning operations. You notice that the very first box indicates that the current cleaning level for this database is set to standard. The following box is the very first step. It's selecting your scenario. You notice that there is a blue reset button to the right should you make a bunch of changes and you're not sure what was last read by the internet. You can go ahead and reset the form just simply by clicking the blue button reset, and it'll reload and you can make your changes and know that you're correct. So the first item is you can apply a what if scenario to your database globally. So you can change from standard cleaning, for example, to premium or to economy. You can also apply by SPC code if you choose. So you can say, for example, let's take all rooms that have an ancillary department high code and change them to ancillary department low. And the third way that you can apply a scenario is by room type. So here you can select room types and then you can either change those with a given room type or any room or any cleaning level to whichever cleaning level you like. The second box allows you to filter your selection above to just certain buildings, rooms, subsections, or any criteria you specify. This is the room search box, if you recall. So here you can say just apply my changes to just the main building or just the West Tower or any combination you like. You can do individual floors of a building. You can do just subsections. You can do room types. The really selections are endless. Once you do that, it would show you that your rooms are being filtered, which just indicates that you are only applying your scenario to certain rooms. As you can see, we left all rooms selected. And then the last item, before we execute the changes, would be to print the report to see what it looks like. So for example, let's reset the form. And let's apply a change globally. So let's take our database from standard to economy. We're going to leave it at selecting all rooms, and we're going to view what that would look like. So this is the what if scenario dialog box. You can tell that it's generating. It does explain to you that it is a long and complex process and can take up to 10 minutes depending on the size of your database. So what we're going to do is we're going to let that compile and we'll return when it's finished. Okay. The what if scenario has completed, and this is the dialog box that we've received. It has says our report has been generated successfully. We can click view report to see the results, and we're going to do that. And here's our what if report. You notice that it is 48 pages long because it does take every single room and change it from standard to economy. And this is the layout of the report. It lists each area. In this case, here's the cath lab. It's 5 days per week, and here's all the rooms, followed by the standard procedure cleaning code and the amount of minutes it would take to clean it, set its standard, and then you notice that the code changes if we go to economy to ADH, resulting in fewer minutes to yields this amount of savings for that individual room. So you can scroll to the very end and we can see what the total is. So as you can see, if we scroll down, here's the total minutes that used to take to clean all the areas in our database, in this case a sample database, and here's the new amount of minutes it's going to take. So it will save us 1,294 minutes, which is approximately 3 people, give or take. So you can tell that now by simply switching to economy mode using the preset variables in ES Optimizer, just going from standard in this data to economy would save 3 FTEs. And that's basically what if scenario for a daily cleaning. Again, there's many options, but it should get you at least curious on how you can run what if scenarios. Please have a great day.